Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to check out the latest and newest working codes for Roblox, Dress to Impress. So make sure you watch this video till the end, because I'll be sharing some brand new active codes that can help you unlock free rewards, exclusive outfits, and stylish items to level up your fashion game. So let's get started. First of all, these codes are available for a limited time only, so make sure you redeem them as soon as possible before they expire. And if you're new to the game, don't worry, I'll also show you exactly how to redeem these codes step by step. Now here's something special for you. There is a secret code hidden somewhere in this video. Only those who watch the full video carefully will be able to find it and claim an extra reward. So don't skip any part of the video. Alright, now let's take a look at all the latest working codes one by one.
can't lie, I'm mesmerized by these lines. I'm so high, dude, I can't lie, I'm mesmerized by these lines. I'm so high, dude, I can't lie, I'm mesmerized by these lines. I'm so high, dude, I can't lie, I'm mesmerized by these lines. I'm so high, dude, I can't lie, I'm mesmerized by these lines. I'm so high, dude.